Donald Trump rejected a challenge the president for running the president. The frustration is understandable, but narrow-minded. In fact, the view of Colorado Regional Judge Sarah B. Wallace's view is a giant step to disqualify Trump from the ballot compass for constitutional reasons. The Colorado struggle is one few people who have been brought to third part of 14th change from organizing federal office, uprising, against United States. In last few of 102 pages, Wallace's opinion concludes that President was not an officer of United States v. and therefore was not disqualified from ballot. However, the former president was either bluff or wide. Every other court that has taken allegation of amendments to date has refrained from deciding on principles. It is not appropriate for determination of courts. On the contrary, the judge organized a week of evidence and held a week of evidence. Wallace's view of Wallace works methodically with evidence that Trump really entered the uprising. That only a court could do. In this process, Trump rejected the first change defense and found that the deliberate provocation of January 6 overcomes any free speech claim. The Emir, which will be appealed to the high courts, has almost everything necessary to disqualify Trump from the ballot. The summary reporters, in fact, thought about the issue of civil servants almost later. But a new Wall Street magazine drew new attention to question former Attorney General Michael Mukasey.wild criticism. How weak or strong claim? I don't think it is ridiculous as others claim. The important point is that the higher courts decide this a matter of law. It is assumed that any appeal disqualified from Trump will lead to intervention that will have final say by US Supreme Court. The opinion determines one with an empty table for court. Of course, courts appeal may agree about question civil servant with Wallace, or may vary with it on legal reasons. A wide definition based on historical analysis. Term 14. When amendment is accepted. Great courts during restructuring is a political question that implementation Chapter 3 can only respond to Congress. But this will bring other questions about power states to meet basic qualities for ballot. However, as a result, Colorado's view is that rivals need most determination of Trump's determination to uprising and high courts to bring up legal questions that should be answered in any case, makes a legal solution. Harry Litman, Talking Feds Podcast's host.